Okay. Here we're going to attempt to take this disgusting old headliner out of the battle axe here and turn it into something cool. So, I guess first you want to separate, maybe, separate this crap carefully, I guess. Try not to take too many layers because you want something left over. I might let this shit's fiberglass or some fucking crap. I'm gonna be itchy for a month. Uh-oh. That was a little much. Okay, gross. So, that's basically what we're going for right there. Didn't really film the doing it part, but sprayed the glue down and took every stupid thing I could grab out of the kitchen last second and all the clothespins. And fingers crossed, the coolest headliner in the world ever is on its way to being finished. But it's in God's hands now. Bitch be looking up at it, but her panties are going down. Even though it's probably gonna jinx it. I gotta say, I'm shocked and surprised by how that turned out. Now, is it gonna stay? Hopefully.